Hi, Maria. Hello. How are you? I sure appreciate your bubbly personality with the way you started your video and addressed me with this and me getting to watch it and all that stuff too. Right off the bat, I was already smiling because of your smile as well and your talking with your eyes and wanting to be personable with me. And you could tell, and it felt like you are a very kind and a nice person and everything on too as you started out your video. So thank you very much. So now let's go ahead and talk about a few things here that I noticed and want to talk about in regards to the good things and positive things, and also the things that we can probably work on a little bit more for this. Okay. So you answered all four components of the of what was required of you. So you stated your name, you stated what job you're looking for, what interest you're in. You talked about things that are important to you and things that you have experience in, and then you asked if there was any way that you could reach out to anybody that could help you or find someone that could help you. Good job on that part of it. It was only about 35, 38 seconds long, which is good, met that criteria. And then the next one in the rubric, it talks about conversational and friendly. Definitely, as I mentioned right off the bat, definitely friendly. Now, professional. It also says doesn't sound rehearsed like the speaker is reading from a script, and it didn't sound like you were. The only thing that I noticed that you kept looking back and forth from something that was to the side of you, and sometimes you were talking from the side of you too. So I would recommend that in future references, if you do have any kind of notes, at least have them in front of you, as opposed to the side or whatever it may be, or above your monitor screen or right next to your monitor screen, so that you can reference it. And it's okay to be able to do that and look at it for a second, even pause if needed, and see make sure you mention everything, and then look back and talk to the camera or talk to the person that's on the other side of the camera if that's the case. So that's always a good thing. So that's probably one thing I would recommend doing instead of going back and forth with that whole thing. Okay. And I know it's nerve wracking, and we get nervous and we look and we want to refer to something. And I know that when we talk in church, sometimes we have those notes in front of us, and we have people that just sit there and read their talk the whole time. And that's definitely not something you just did, but we want to be able to look more at the camera in that case. Now, professionalism in regards to dress, I hope that maybe what you wore, because I really couldn't tell from the picture or from the video that you're professionally dressed. It didn't look like you were in a sweatshirt or a tank top or a hoodie of any kind or whatever it may be. I always ask the question is, what what you're wearing right now be what you would wear to an interview as a live interview? And so that's how I'd also have you dress yourself in regards to doing a video recording of yourself in asking or answering questions. Okay, so that's it. I appreciate your personality, and I love the fact that I get to see a face with a name and now also a voice, and also facial expressions and how you carry yourself and everything else too. It helps me to connect with you better and helping you with your assignments as they come in from you. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always ready and willing to help you out. All right, have a good day.